in town waving a big yee-haw. On the right is the Tweetsie Junction, with a handmade sign shop, an old-fashioned photo parlor, the Junction Store, and Sparky's Southwestern Barbecue. And you can see some entertaining shows at the Pavilion and up at the Palace Saloon. Folks, we're going to make a quick stop here at the Frontier Outpost. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. Keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when the train stops in the middle of the wilderness.
Don't stop me now. Having such a good time.
There is an urgent message coming through, and the regular telegraph operator is kidnapped by the Indians.
Now why in the world would the Indians kidnap the telegraph operator? They're usually so friendly around here.
Well, nobody really knows why, but I need one desperately.
Well, I'll get right on, Marshal.
So he comes in there and I said, look, I'm Rick James. Smack it. Oh! That's Marshal Josie.
It is?
Well, I'll be darned. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing well, and you are?
Well, they happen to call me Appaloosa Jones around these parts. And the handsome devil to my left is Maverick. Well, she knows that. I just said your name.
I know. And I am afraid. Sheriff,
Huh?
these two are wanted for train robbery.
Looks like you caught us, Marshal, and you just found yourself in a world of trouble. So I'm going to take you and your pony down that way and get out of my sight. You, Maverick,
Yes.
I would like you to hop on that train and
Okay.
grab the bomb we brought with us. I'm going to show these folks how we do business.
What is it?
Boys, I got a little story I'd like to share with you. Why, just this morning, I robbed another train. You want to know how I did it? I blew up the mail car. And I took all the lovely money that was going to go to the Indians for their land payment. Here's how this is going to work. You and your deputy there are going to step aside. Me and Maverick are going to hop on board this train and rob the valuables off of every last one of these precious passengers. And hey, if you cooperate, well, I might not have to blow this train up as well. Boom!
All right, well, the deputy has your gold.
Oh, boy, well, show me the money! What the? Oh,
Good job.
oh, you do that. Huh?
All right, you hold still.
You're here like your mom. What? Don't, not you. Kids these days have no respect for the elders.
All right, so you take that. I don't want it. Take your bomb.
It does smell right quick and
Guys, stop hitting me in the face!
all right, then I'll hit you in the chest. Yeah!
Deputy!
What?
I got something for you.
It's ticket!
I got something for you too. You're good. Hey! Hey! How about that? Oh boy, I gotta get out of here. Oh, I'm shooting at me, doggone it!
I'll throw when I sweat!
All right, hold it right there. I'm taking you to jail.
If that's the case, you can come up here and get it. I'm okay.
Okay, good. Deputy! Deputy! Take it out.
Oh,
Yeah, you're good. Come on out.
oh,
Oh, man. You all right? Oh, no. Well,
I can't feel my backside, Sheriff.
Well, I see Law and Order has one taken from down here. Good work, you two.
Thanks, Marshal.
It's an urgent telegram, all right. Indians have taken over Fort Boone. Stop. Somebody stole the money that was being sent to them. Stop. Send help. Stop.
Is that it? Yes. All right, I want you to grab that box over there for me. So, Marshall, what do you want to do with these two?
Well, since they have caused all of this trouble, I told us we need to head on up to Fort Boone to make it right. There's no time to waste. Get on the train and head out.
All right, you causing all this trouble. Get on that train, okay?
I guess I can do that for you.
Not done.
Thank you.
You're gonna need that.
Yeah, thank you. I do that.
All right.
Hey, thank you, Marshall. All right, Casey, let's head up to Fort Boone, please.
Watch out. Yes. What?
There's Indians shooting at me
You
there.
should shoot back.
Yeah.
What?
You have a cannon.
You're a soldier. Do
This thing
something.
right here. Here's that thing. Seems to work sometimes, but
Where did we find this thing?
no.
What is straight up?
Hey, you watch your backside, okay?
I got my sword.
Get it! Die! My life is a danger! Oh! Let me show you how it's done.
There you go.
You! I don't!
I'm so sorry.
What a
What was
mess.
that?
We barely got off the train before they attacked us.
Boys, okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Where's that telegraph operator at?
I don't know. They'll bring me a Band-Aid.
Band-Aid? You want a Hello Kitty Band-Aid? Better watch out, Deputy.
What are we gonna do here? Let's go inside. There's no one else. Okay. Oh, hold me. Wait! Hold on! Dave! I'm sorry! We're not bringing over here! I'm sorry,
No. Please don't do it.
Everybody's staring at it. Sounds like a small child falling out.
Do you guys have any idea how silly you look? Woo!
What are you doing up there the whole time?
Why have you used potty?
Oh, yeah? Well, why did you go back there to the frontier outpost?
Well, because someone was busy emptying.
I need you to hold this for a second.
Now, which one of you has our money?
She did it. She did it all. It was her idea from the start.
What?
You heard me.
Hey! Yeah! What, me? Yeah! And you!
Yeah.
Give that money back.
All right, there you go. Buddy's back. See you later.
Whoa! Where do you think you're going?
Back to town.
You gonna say you're sorry?
I am not
going to
going to
No,
sleep
sorry.
before I
No, sorry.
apologize.
You? Alright, Sheriff. Well, you take all these folks back to town. Make sure to lock those two up. You two are going to be spending a lot of time in jail together there, buddy. It's going to be nice.
No, it's not. It was nice.
First day down. 200 something to go.
123.
123 days to